I want to talk about the bell ringers. I posted one the other day, Edvard Munch, and I asked you to describe the lines. And I asked, I gave you some samples of the lines. Are they, are they thick? Are they thin? Are they smooth? Are they curvy? I should have explained it a little bit more. So next week, every week, you'll have this, every day of next week, you'll have the same painting, but asking you a different question. So I will make a video that goes with the ones about lines to make it a little clearer what I was looking for. So I'm going to move forward though with the second part of that lesson. So it'd be the second question, still with that same painting though. So the same painting, which is the Edvard Munch one, the screen. And the second question is, what is the mood or feeling of this painting? Hmm. Well, let me blow it up a little bit so you can see it better. And let's see what we think. First of all, it'd be helpful if I put it in the frame. And maybe I can put this over a little bit. There we go. Okay. Okay, so what is the mood of this painting? Well, let's see. We know the title of it is called The Scream, so we know that. Um, but what's he screaming about? I don't know. It could be where he's startled because somebody jumped out and yelled, "Happy birthday!" And he's like, "Oh my gosh, I didn't know you remembered it was my birthday." Could be something like that. It could be like a happy occasion, right? We don't really know that it's not a happy occasion, right? Just because he's screaming. And Mr. Munch, the artist, he did that on purpose. We don't know what's on this side of what he's looking at. We know he's looking at something, but we don't know what, right? So, well, what is the mood or feeling of this painting? He kind of gave us a little bit of clues to maybe the artist interpretation of what maybe this person's looking at. Um, just by some of the color choices maybe that he used, but I don't know for sure that's true. It's just, just kind of the mood or feeling that we each might get when we see this painting. So let me shrink it back down. So what you need to do in this box here, I got to do is click in it and start typing. What you need to do is tell me what you think is the mood or feeling of this painting. Don't tell me what you think is happening. That's not what I'm asking you. I'm just saying, what is the mood of this painting? What do you think the feeling of this painting is? When you see it, what kind of feelings do you feel when you see this painting? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you frightened? Are you puzzled? What kind of feeling and mood do you get at this painting? That's all I want to know, not what you think is happening. All right. So think about it. This is your interpretation. All right. Thanks. Oh, I should wait a minute. I should probably explain a little bit too. Every day, this week you're only going to have 4 of them, but starting next week, every day you'll have a bell ringer, and it will be the same painting every day, asking you a different thing about the painting. When you hand those all back to me by Monday morning at 8 o'clock, you will have a choice of eliminating one of the um, one of the days of the slides for the following week. So if you hand these all in, then I can say on the following week, okay, which day do you not want to do one? I will still give you full credit. You'll still get the credit for it, but you don't have to do it. It's your option, and you can choose which day you don't want to do. It's like, I don't like to answer that question. You don't have to. I will give you the credit. But that's only if you turn them all in by Monday morning, 8 o'clock. All right, after that, you have to answer every one. Okay? All right,